In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Overlay not working. If your Steam Overlay isn't showing up in games, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed with just a few simple settings changes. We'll go through the most effective built-in fixes in Steam, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting the overlay working again. First, start by checking whether the Steam Overlay feature is actually enabled. Sometimes this option gets turned off accidentally, especially after an update or a settings change. Open Steam, then click Steam in the top left corner, go to Settings, and select In-Game. In that section, look for the option called Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Make sure that box is checked. If it isn't enabled, the overlay won't appear no matter what game you launch. Once that setting is turned on, it's a good idea to leave the menu open for a moment and confirm the change has been saved properly. This is the main switch that allows Steam to display its in-game interface, so it's the first thing you should verify before trying anything else. If the overlay is already enabled but still not working, the next fix is to change your Steam beta participation. To do that, go back into Steam settings and open interface. On some older versions of Steam, this option may appear under Account instead. From there, look for the Steam Beta Participation setting. You can either opt into the beta if you're currently out of it, or leave the beta if you're already in it. After making the change, Steam will ask to restart. This can help because the overlay issue may be tied to the version of the Steam client you're using. Switching between the stable version and the beta version refreshes core Steam components and can sometimes resolve compatibility problems. After that, restart Steam completely. Don't just close the game. Fully exit Steam and open it again. Then, if the problem continues, restart your PC as well. A full system restart can clear temporary conflicts and fix overlay injection issues that don't go away with a normal app restart. These steps are simple, but they're often enough to solve the problem. So to recap, make sure the Steam overlay is enabled in the in-game settings, try changing your Steam beta participation, restart Steam, and then restart your computer if needed. Hopefully, after following these fixes, your Steam overlay will be back up and running normally.